What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Okay, if it sound like I am whispering, it's because it's early in the morning, girl. It's 6:17. Y'all can't see that, but it's 6:17. TMO should be here within I don't know. TMO should be here by 8. Well, we don't know. They'll be here between 8 and 12. So there's still some things that I need to do. I still haven't cleaned the sink. I still haven't unboxed the pots or the vacuum. I haven't mopped the floor yet. Darius swept the floor last night, but I still haven't mopped the floor. And obviously, because the vacuum isn't unboxed, I haven't vacuumed yet. So I kind of want to do those things. And we put up an air mattress last night for us to sleep on, because obviously our stuff isn't here. So I haven't done that either. So I still have some things that need to be done. And before they get here, just so that the stuff that's going in different places or whatever, the area is at least clean enough for them to put it in. So this morning we're just going to do a little cleaning. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, so it is 8:30. Well, actually, it's not 8:30. It's like 8:22. And I am done cleaning. We have mopped, vacuumed. Darius is actually finishing up the vacuum. Towards the end, I enlisted the help of him because your girl was a little tired doing all this. This some big floors. You know, I ain't used to this. Back at Yakota, I ain't had nothing but the little kitchen area. And even in my last apartment before that, I had carpet. And then in my apartment before that, we actually had all hardwood floors, but the ex would always mop. So all this mopping and sweeping and vacuuming, it was a lot. Okay, it was a lot. And I had to enlist the help of Darius for the end part. But I am done. Darius is just, I know you hear the vacuum now. He is just vacuuming the front stairs. And now I'm about to take a shower, get dressed, and we are gonna wait for TMO to come, and that will be the next video. So thank you guys for cleaning with me. I love you so much. Thank you for sticking around this long. Make sure you like this video if you liked it. Or give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. There you go. It's early. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.